In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add someone to a private Slack channel step by step. This is perfect if you manage a team, work in a company workspace, or need to give someone access to a sensitive conversation without making the channel public. Private channels in Slack are designed for focused and confidential discussions, so adding the right people the right way is important. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Slack and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. From the Slack app or browser, look at the left sidebar and navigate to the private channel where you want to add someone. Click on that channel so it opens up in your main workspace view. You must already be a member of the private channel in order to invite someone else, so double-check that you're in the correct channel before moving on. Once the private channel is open, look toward the top right corner of the channel window. You'll see a small person or members icon. This icon represents the list of people who currently have access to the channel. Go ahead and click on that person icon to open the channel details and member options. After clicking the person icon, a panel will appear showing the current members of the private channel. In this panel, look for the option that says Add People. This is the option you'll use to invite someone new into the channel. Click on Add People to continue. Next, Slack will ask how you want to add the person. Depending on your workspace settings, you may see an option to add them directly to the existing private channel or create a new channel instead. To give them access to the current private channel, choose the option to add them to the existing channel. This ensures they can see past messages, depending on your Slack permissions. Now you'll see a field where you can enter the details of the person you want to invite. Type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure you use the same email address they use for Slack, especially if they already belong to your workspace. Slack may auto-suggest users as you type, which helps confirm you're inviting the correct person. Once you've entered the email address or selected the user, click on the Add button. Slack may prompt you with a confirmation screen or additional follow-up steps, such as confirming access or reviewing permissions. Go through those prompts carefully and complete the process. After you finish these steps, the person will be invited to the private channel. If they're already part of your workspace, they'll be added immediately. If not, they may receive an invitation email and will gain access once they accept it. At that point, they'll be able to view and participate in the private channel just like other members. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to a private Slack channel. This is a simple but essential skill for managing collaboration, keeping conversations organized, and making sure the right people have access to the right information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.